Everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me is my husband Marcel. And this morning we are going to visit Miss Topsy. We'll be on the phone today. Can't even tell you what happened. But anyhow, we're not using a camera today. We're using our phone because we would have left something, you know. But here we are. Nonetheless, so we have to do what we have to do because we came this far. Right, so
now we reach halfway and turn back already.
Yeah, we reached halfway. We had to turn back for something for Miss Topsy, and by the time we reached, we realized there was something that we left, and we're saying, you know, what is this? But you know, we're just gonna press on, and so we have our phone, you know, and it comes in handy. Before we started using a camera, when we just started the channel, we used to use our phones, and then you know we were upgraded to a camera. But you know, that is why it's important. People always say, you know, must always remember where you're coming from. You know, so we used to use a phone, and now today we left something for the camera, and so the phone come in handy again. So here we are, and we're heading to Miss Topsy. Alright, so praise be to God. We have to do what we have to do. Can't come this far and then, you know, just go back without delivering to her what we come to deliver. And so we're going to her this morning. And I want to say thanks to our donors who have sent us barrels. And as such, we're heading to her this morning and bringing her some items, grocery items, you know, and some other little things, and to check on her as well. This part is a bit wet. It rained yesterday, so it's a bit wet, but it's not special.
No, it's not reach us yet, you know.
Yeah. So the bush, the part of bush up back.
That have to happen.
Yeah. It's a bugger sometimes.
Yes.
But even if it's weed, took a few days and it's raining, the grass don't come back up. So we split our groceries this morning in two. So I doesn't have one bag, I have a little one. Just to make it easier to transport up the hill.
Yes, so they're always there, so you know.
I think I'm doing good because I'm so tired this morning.
Look like me take it from you.
Yes. Because I walk back. Me always there on here.
That's you?
So you're taking a 5?
1.
Okay.
Got you, you're not tired, you don't want me rest. Go on. Look out for Puppy.
So, last time Miss Topsy said the dog wasn't pregnant. She's the porridge engine.
Miss Topsy is smoking in the kitchen.
She in the kitchen.
Well, smoke.
She said the dog drank the porridge and that's why it's in the smoking. But the dog is actually pregnant. So that's how we do it. Look like that.
Yes, watch man. Watch woman.
Say.
Hey.
It's only us.
Puppy. Stop saying break.
Puppy angry this morning.
Puppy have puppy, you know?
Yeah, cause
look at her belly gone in.
And her breast drop.
Where your puppy them there?
See if Miss Topsy catch water.
Miss Topsy some dead. We gone up front, Miss Topsy.
She catch water. This one is full, but it's leaning.
Good man.
Not too bad.
Oh, we see smoke in our kitchen, but we don't see you.
They have like a piece of fire.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Miss Topsy, have a lip of mosquito up here, man. So we just get one big one here. Oh, Lord. So how you do?
Not too bad, sir.
Oh, Lord. Miss Topsy, we're on our way to you.
Yes.
Reach all the way down there. Had to turn back because we left something. And then
We left something
we
again.
left something again when we reached down the road. But we say, we're coming nonetheless.
So you leave something where you leave that car come here.
Yes, the first time and we go back for it. But when we come this time now, we realize we left something for our camera. So we use the phone now.
Okay. Yes. I'm never notice you.
Oh, Lord. So we bring in some groceries, Miss Topsy.
Yes.
Yes, we have some donors who would have sent us barrels, and they sent some things in there for you, and specifically they sent some Boost,
What is
something like Ensure. Remember the thing in the bottle we brought the last time?
Oh,
Yeah.
this white bottle.
Yes.
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 A different,
see here.
it's like a different bottle. That.
No, it's a box this time. It's the same thing but different packaging.
Okay.
Right, so we carry 2 bags of groceries.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Oh, how the phone are you working out?
I'm going to call.
You know, Carl?
June, I did a talk to my granddaughter one time, but somebody pop in and start call the same time. So
But it was us. Remember me talk to you on the phone?
okay.
You know, remember?
So if we bring phone come.
Yes, we tell him because we managed to get another phone that we wanted you to have because the phone you have now can't go on WhatsApp. Remember?
Yes, then come put it on the radio.
What then put on the radio say?
So I can't use.
Oh, no man. But remember, we bring in a phone, a new one, and that one is working. But there's what should I say? No, there's a phone app called WhatsApp where you can make calls easier. So we get another phone, so you can use this one. This one can go on WhatsApp. So when we want to call you, we can get you.
Yes.
Well, you can go on the internet, rather, I should say.
Yes.
Right. All right. So you're gonna bring us the phone. Make Marcel look on it for you.
Yes, let me go for it.
Yeah.
As Kitty see bag coming, start to smell.
So pop it down there, Miss Topsy.
Only 2 in our kitchen.
Oh, how many she had?
Me not know him take them well before you come out.
Yes. So everything all right otherwise though? Yeah. Miss Topsy, man, you lift up that heavy job. I will fill it up for
What
you.
on it, Miss Topsy?
It wet up.
And you not take out it.
It wet up, Miss Topsy. Where the chair there?
Chair, 2 chairs in our room, there, sir.
Oh.
Sometimes they put them lazy.
Yeah.
So what our weather we have? What's our weather?
I know, we've been having a lot of rain.
But we glad the water.
Yes, we look and see say your 2 drum them full up. Yeah. So this one?
The other one he don't have no cover.
Yes,
The cover mash up.
Oh, but you keep this open so in case it rains.
But that one they mostly use if you wash. But the big drum, the tank no. They use if you cook.
Okay.
And we go for drinking water down here so and keep it inside the house.
Oh, Junior, go for it for you? Okay, down at the spring.
Yes.
Right.
The water come from under the ground. From their picnic.
Yes. Yes. Wow. So you're okay in terms of you went for an appointment at the clinic or no time yet?
No, me don't go to the clinic for next month.
For next month? Okay. All right.
Like you sneakers.
Thanks, Miss Topsy. You want me leave it with you?
Eh?
You want me leave it?
It's too big.
Alright.
Only June and no more for him. Love pretty.
Your shoes pretty.
You pretty too.
Yeah.
That are pretty too.
Alright, Miss Topsy, you were saying what about the groceries?
Listen, me thank you for it.
Yes, you're welcome, Miss Topsy.
Yes, God bless you all.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And our donors as well.
Yes, God bless you all.
Yes. Oh,
And
yes.
you doing us. All.
So Marcel gonna fix up the phone for you here.
Yeah.
So I want you to touch the screen. You have a button.
Huh?
This don't have any button.
Okay.
I mean, it have the button at the side to turn it up and turn it down, and the power button.
Yes.
So everything you have to go touch it around here. So
Yes.
we'll show you if you use it.
Alright, Miss Topsy. So what you doing there? You gone?
You got no bush.
Oh.
Can't weed grass.
You gonna weed grass?
Him just stay here.
So Miss Topsy used to say, Puppy did pregnant for true, it wasn't just the porridge.
Lord of God!
Stop saying puppy trick ya.
Why?
Yeah, puppy
The
trick
thing
ya.
about the porridge.
I know the porridge man. She was pregnant for true.
Puppy out of that, cause she not tell you.
I'm not plenty puppy have, you know. Yes.
And they died and leave
One
too.
of the time when we go there, a plenty me see.
Mm-hmm.
In the long side. And when Junior wake up one morning and go down the Twinsy.
Oh no. So she take them where you say?
Yes, she take them away.
So maybe they're not dead or anything like that. They should just put them at different place.
No man in dead, they dead.
Oh.
If they never dead, you would have seen my feed them. But he not left the two way in there.
Yes. Okay. So
But you know can't eat, ma.
the puppies or the dog?
No,
Yeah.
Jesus have mercy. Man, the cat. Every God almighty minute, as I say me get up from me now eat plenty. So sometimes me get up go eat 2 biscuits or one slice of bread and mix some tea drink. And me say as me get up, so them get up.
Oh no, they might watch you.
And smell when me eat.
They must
Sometimes I have to hide.
you have to hide it.
Me eat. I chew me, I tell you, man.
Yes. Oh no.
And when if me go road, then follow me down the road, down the hill.
Down the hill.
And then he follow me down where you park your car there.
Yes.
And then he come back up.
Okay.
Security tight.
Yes. I give God thanks for everything.
Yes, we stop saying.
I then I listen one service. And I tell the people them say, on the radio say, may I ask God nothing give me more than what me can bear.
Yeah.
Alright.
And him a go rich, you know.
You might go rich.
Your husband a go rich.
Yes, man.
See
Receive it in
fingernail.
Jesus' name, Miss Topsy.
Eh?
I receive it in Jesus' name.
Yes. Look at your fingernail them.
It's a rich man fingernail.
God.
Yes.
God. I work in fingernail them, Miss Topsy.
Eh?
I work in fingernail them.
Yes. God still have a way out there for you. Yeah, we things.
So you have to go do the data.
Oh,
So
yeah.
much money Miss Topsy have on her phone.
If we show Miss Topsy all them the touchings
Miss
there,
Topsy
no.
have $29.05.
Topsy your credit done. We have to go tap you up.
Eh. But me I go can put on phone pan it, card pan it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you just tap it up and
It easy
set
for
up the plan on
easy
it.
for using Miss Topsy.
Eh.
Okay.
Oops.
See phone there? Alright. So it's steep, so when you go use it, you touch a button here, so.
Yeah.
One button up on this side, you touch it like this.
Yeah.
And see the phone there, so.
Eh.
So you gotta make one call,
Eh.
so you dial the number them, and then
Oh.
you touch the green button. So, say you call Michelle, you gotta put in this, and see her name come up. So you gotta just touch her name, and then you touch the green button.
Oh, talk
So see to
pa.
call her now?
Yes.
Yeah, it's ringing, it's vibrating.
You remember how I tell you if you do Miss Topsy?
Miss Topsy, so
Alright,
what
so me
up?
lock it off now. So the first thing you gotta do, cause anytime you not use the phone, this screen I go look like this. So you just touch this button around here, so. And see it light up.
Yes.
But if alright, see it light up. So you touch the green button there, so the phone. You touch it first.
Yeah.
And you know how to dial the number, not true?
Yes.
Yeah, so once you start dial, if a Michelle number you dial, once you put in the first three, the 876 area code, and see fear come up because you know only two number you have safe in there.
Yes.
There, so. So you just touch the green button.
So after who them the two number?
Alright, this is fair. You so much number you have in this?
Me no know for
You
me
see
now
number in
certain.
it?
Me granddaughter mostly.
A number in there? Let me find it. I must see one thing, I must see number them I didn't let me stop say. Let me save.
Unless you save to the SIM card.
No SIM? Okay. Alright,
So-
let me search the SIM card, see if I find no number.
Should have I went junior. Director sing for him. Him have more brain more me now remember nothing.
Alright, see there. SIM card. No number not safe for the SIM card. Stop say this is rain.
Yes.
Rain coming, guys.
I hope we are gonna get through.
Oh, we are a crossover. You have to go run off a hill, Miss Topsy.
Unless the internet don't work good up
Me
here.
ain't a wet up.
Yeah?
It ain't make sense to go wet up.
It a
We
work,
are
man.
wet up, we are wet down.
It a pick up Mazel. So it comes in and go through. Send a message and see. A text message.
Oh, cool. I'm gonna just say hi.
Our blessing.
Yes, blessing, blessing, blessing.
Alright, guys, so come to check on Miss Topsy and she's alright. To drop her off some groceries. Want to say thanks to all our donors. Thank you so much. We have been blessed. Can't complain at all. We have been blessed with some, wonderful donors. You continue to help us out. You continue to reach out and mobilize us so that we are able to help others. And we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. So wherever you are, you know yourselves. Thank you so much, and may God bless you, and may your store baskets never be empty. All right, so until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. All right, this Topsy.
Yeah.
We see you next week.
Egg?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, all right.
Alright. Yeah.
You are welcome, Miss Topsy. All right. So guys, we're trying to beat the rain. We hear it coming. It has been a long time coming because we hear it come and stop. So we're trying to go down before it starts to rain. So we're actually running down the hill.
So you run?
Yeah, we'll walk fast.
Oh, Jesus. What's on that roll?
Oh, yeah, pick off myself.
Yeah, pick off the board and mash my back. Can you see them?
Yeah, it's a lot. I hear the thunder rolling and everything. Here you are.
Alright, puppy.
Puppy. Go back. Here, Miss Topsy. Miss Topsy, a ball out over there.
I want to look on the puppy them.
Oh, I never remember.
When we come back then we big.
Yeah, when I come back then turn dog.
The rain not stop, you know?
I'm telling you.
You see the place,
Yeah, God is good. Because I was thinking that the rain really don't catch us up there. Because that WhatsApp thing was taking a while.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we have 3 more visits
Yep.
in the weather.
Yeah, there are a number of visits we have to do, guys. We just have to do them today because of the need. The need is great, especially with the food. So even if it rains today, we're still going by God's grace. Yeah, I think we spend a good little time up here because now it's 12:41. When we were going up, I think it was about 10 after 11. Right, so we spent some time up by Miss Topsy. Yeah, and we're down. So we come down before the rain, guys. Wow. Yep. All right, guys, all the best. Blessed love and stay safe until we meet again.
Yeah.
God bless.
God bless. Yeah, pick off the bar.